Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the videos section on your account on Bluesky, on your profile, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, the Bluesky application, and then now as you see you are on the discover section. So go to the profile in the bottom right. So as you see here you find the posts and the replies, the media, and here you find the videos. So that's how to find the videos on your account on the profile section on Bluesky, easy and quickly. And that's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.